Good evening, madam. You are appearing for Bank of Maharashtra full stack developer manager post interview. Your
Mm,
interview is going to be on which date, madam?
Tomorrow.
Oh, Baba, tomorrow. Great, 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 great. Yeah, madam, can you please tell us about yourself briefly?
Yeah. So my name is Pranali Bajirao, and I am from Nagpur. And currently, I am working with the IBM India Private Limited. Um, there in BMW project as my client. And previous to that, I was associated with Infosys and LTI Mindtree. There, my client was Deloitte, and I have total of 6.5 years of experience working as a .NET full stack developer. And my roles and responsibilities in my current organization or overall in my throughout my experience throughout my journey is like I'm in like I create web APIs, then create web pages, then unit testing and coordinating with the team members, then bug fixing to ensure the product is bug free, and application optimization. All these things are my responsibilities.
Mhm. Good. So, right now you are in a very big organization like IBM.
Yes.
What is the rough take home pay for you?
Sorry.
Your take home pay roughly CTC, or what is it roughly?
um it is around 17.5.
Acha, very good. I think when you join here, I think you may get more or less similar amount only. No problem. Good. So now the question is, why after 7, 8 years or so you are trying to come to banking? What makes you come to banking?
Yeah. So I have gained a good experience throughout my journey. Since 6.5 years, I'm working in a private sector, so I have gained a good knowledge in a development area. So now, as I want to contribute to the bank because like I in bank I will be serving directly to the people. I indirectly I will be helping the society, and I think my skills best suits for the bank's digital transformation, as the bank is going towards digital transformation nowadays, and to reach to all the regions, all the areas of the people, and make the banking, basic banking services available to all the peoples. And um, last but not the least, the career growth towards a meaningful sector and the job stability. So, yeah, this I
Are
can
you
say.
not are you not interested in going to foreign countries on account of IBM?
Like,
Of course, now there is no chance for going to USA. Now for
yes.
other countries,
Hmm.
no.
So yeah, I was like, yeah, I would like to go, but not permanently. I would want to shift in foreign as
Yeah.
my base is, yeah.
Yeah, what is your husband doing?
He's also in IT.
IT. Oh, very good.
Yes.
Both of you are in IT. Good, good, good. Fine. Madam, which bank you are having account?
SBI.
Who is our chairman of SBI?
Um,
Who is the
I
MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra?
CEO of Bank of Maharashtra is Nidhu Saxena.
What
Uh,
are the points you remember about Bank of Maharashtra? For 1 minute, you have to tell me about Bank of Maharashtra.
Yeah. So Bank of Maharashtra is one of the most fastly, rapidly growing, and is having reputed organization in the society. And it is founded in 1935 it has almost around 14,500 employees working in Bank of Maharashtra, and the revenue generated by Bank of Maharashtra is 28,000 crores, and the profit is 5,000 crores, and like um,
You know the
yeah,
total business deposit advances,
sorry.
total deposits advances figure.
I'm sorry.
Business bank means total business. Total business is total deposits plus total advances. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me as a layman, I know you would have studied more, tell me what banks are doing.
Um, so banks are the backbone of India's financial system. So, banks helps people to provide loans and the basic banking services to keep their money in the bank account, and they provide the rate of interest, and government schemes like Jan Dhan Yojana and Ladli Behan Yojana. All these schemes runs through banks only, and yeah, various loans like car loan, property, home loans, uh, business loans, education loans, all
Good.
these services.
Which loan have you availed from bank?
Which
Loan
uh,
have you taken or your husband has taken from bank?
my husband has taken home loan from bank.
Acha. What are the formalities you had to comply for getting that home loan?
um like um
If you are
the
not if you are not prepared for this question, you can prepare on that. Please write down in a note so that you can prepare on that. You go to Backup Maharashtra website and
huh,
find out what are their conditions. That will
hmm,
do. That will do. Has he not availed any personal loan?
no.
Okay, very good. Now let us come to your subject.
I write down the points?
Yeah,
Can I
yeah,
write down?
yeah, yeah.
Just
Say
just
first is you should try one about Bank of Maharashtra. Maybe you should try to know more also, like what are the awards received by them, what are the corporate social responsibility done by them, what is the total business of the bank, like these particulars you collect and then start revising them again. Next point is this one, that is um, about a home loan because your family has availed it. What are the formalities to be observed? You are also a participant. I mean, you are also signing documents for that as a
no,
co-obligate. No,
no. It was like he has taken before marriage.
acha,
So
acha. Then it is okay. Fine, very good. So you can get to know the details about
mm,
that one.
mm,
Now we will go to your subject, co- computers.
yeah.
Madam, what is RBI?
Um, RBI is banking guidelines. Reserve Bank of India. It creates the guidelines how the bank should run.
You should tell like this. RBI is the bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, and foreign exchange control, and monetary policy authority.
Okay.
Actually,
Understood.
this is not required for you, but these questions are asked to find out, are you very keen about coming to bank? If a person has been very keen about coming to the bank, automatically he will try to know everything where the bank is involved. Okay,
Mm, mm,
that's right. Now you are married. Um, do you have kids, madam?
no.
No, acha. No problem. Now, um, you want to join Bank of Maharashtra full stack developer. Mostly the posting will be in Pune. You are from Pune or which place?
I'm from Nagpur. but
Nagpur.
yeah,
For you,
currently I'm staying in Pune.
Pune. Acha. Good. So Pune posting will not be a problem for you.
Yeah.
Now, madam, have you heard about the recent changes that have come in the clearing procedure? Because that is where computer is used more. Now, please tell me what is the point you have learnt about it.
Clearing procedure. I didn't get you.
2026. It is, you know that or you don't know?
No, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat?
I was asking, what are the recent changes that have been brought about in the clearing of checks?
Declaring of checks.
You know, first, what is, tell me whether you know it or not. Tell me,
No, I
madam.
don't.
Clearing of checks means supposing somebody gives a check to you, you go and deposit in your state bank.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
State bank will collect the check. That is known as clearing of check.
Yes.
From 4th October, an attempt is being made to speed up the process. Earlier, we were having a system that everyday clearing will meet at 6:30 p.m. only. That is, all the bank branches will take the optical image of the check, front side and back side, and then
Mm-hmm.
send it to their service branch. The service branch in turn will present it to RBI. So by the next day, you will get to know the result. Whereas now RBI wanted to make it from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, whatever business hours are there for you, the bank will receive the check. It will take the optical image and send it immediately to service branch. Service branch will in turn send it to RBI immediately. RBI will send it to the respective banks immediately. So within the next 2-3 hours, we can know the result.
Okay.
That much speed up is being done for checks drawn all over the country. Even
Um,
if you deposit a check drawn on Delhi in Pune, the result of it you can know within 4 or 5 hours on that day. If you give it at 10 o'clock, by 3 o'clock, you can know what is the fate of your check.
mhm.
That's right. This is the latest, and it will be fully implementable from 1st of January 2026.
Okay.
Madam, you want to join as full stack developer manager.
Hmm.
Do you know what you may be expected to perform in our bank?
Oh,
Full stack developer. Simply tell what is full stack developer function, and in what way you will associate with the bank, and your services, how it will be made use of by the bank. That's all.
yeah. So, as a full stack developer, I can handle the application, the product of the bank end to end. So I will not be dependent on other developers. As I am a full stack developer, I can handle front end and back end all alone, as well as database. So there will be no dependency for me, and my skills will be helping to bank in such a way, like as you say, the check clearance process, they have speed up the check clearance process. So how are they doing? Because it is all automated now. So I can, like, the other things also are there, like taking loans and all other processes. So using my skills, I can like automate that and avoiding the manual work, so
Now,
it will
please
speed up
tell
the
me,
process.
are you a leader in IBM or you are one of the followers?
In IBM I am not leading, but in my previous project I was a leader.
Now you are going to be leader for a group of people here as manager.
Yeah.
What are the qualities required for being a successful leader?
So team coordination, first of all. So a team leader should be a good listener.
Hmm.
He should he should be a team player
Hmm.
who respects to the view of
Hmm.
all the team members,
Hmm.
um, and like without any conflicts. He should be able to solve any issues.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and he
So
should take the
what type of person are you? Are you a person who likes challenges or you like routine work?
Yeah, I like challenges.
Acha? Supposing the work needs you to sit late up to 9 o'clock in the night, will you sit and do?
So challenges, as in I mean to say, like challenges in my technical thing.
Yeah. So that means now supposing one day you are working on some full stack developer role related job, and that leads you up to 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. What will you do?
So yeah, like in my previously also I have worked in Saturdays and Sundays also sometimes at the time of when we are going live. So that time is totally understood. That time I can manage.
Okay. Explain the concept of overfitting and underfitting in machine learning.
Actually, this is not related to my field, machine learning.
Acha, oh, it doesn't come to you. Acha, acha. Very good. Maybe. Uh, yeah. Now, what is the difference between front end and back end development?
So, front end development includes like front end is the thing which user is going to see on screen. So, suppose for example he wants to go to some other pages or some use some other services. So, whatever he will see, we will call it as front end, and to run that application, to run that front end, suppose if customer is clicking on like some buttons or doing some using some service, so to take the actions on that events which customer is performing,
Yeah.
backend will be
What you said is not wrong. Here I find while back end involves server side logic, databases, and API interactions. Not that what you said is wrong. Maybe if you
it
can
should be more
improve,
technical.
yeah,
Yeah.
if you can improve your answer, maybe it will be better.
Okay. Okay.
Madam, what are RESTful APIs and why are they important in full stack development?
So RESTful APIs is a representational state transfer. Um, so it is the API. It is the type of uh, implementing APIs where it includes get, put, post, and delete APIs. So and it will exchange the data through JSON. Like whereas the old one was soap APIs. So in soap APIs it was hard to manage the data. It was hard it it used to exchange the data in the form of XML. So JSON in that has overcome in REST API, and the data exchanging the data has become more readable.
Very good.
So
Madam, what is Node.js?
Node.js is a library.
Hmm.
It is used to run the front end project, front end application.
I find here Node.js is a server-side JavaScript, a runtime environment used to build scalable network applications. I think whatever you said is right only. Check up. I don't know. Okay. Madam,
I
explain the concept of MVC.
So MVC is the model view controller. It states like it is a proper arranged architecture where model is data which we are going with data like property. Suppose a customer, we are having a customer, so the name, date of birth, and all these details, we will keep in model, the declaration of that properties. Then view is a front end which user sees, and controller, in controller we will add the business logic, use the data, and we will add the business logic.
Uh, yeah, model, view, bracket, UI, and controller logic. You told correctly. Very happy. What are web sockets and how are they used in full stack development?
WebSockets, I don't know about.
Web sockets allow a real-time bi-directional communication between the client and the server over a single persistent connection.
Okay, I think maybe it's related to the HTTP and FTP, file transfer protocol. So yeah, I'll
No,
have
no,
to.
no, but it has been classified under full stack development only.
Oh,
WebSockets, how are they used in full stack development? WebSockets allow a real-time bi-directional communication between the client and the server over a single persistent connection. Madam, what is CORS?
I didn't get what save
C for Calcutta, O for orange, R for Raja,
course.
S for sugar, course or course. I don't know how you call it. Course.
Course is a cross origin. Course is required especially when our backend is deployed in different domain and our front end is deployed in different domain. So to call the backend from front end, we have to allow the course in the backend side.
Good.
So
I
that will
think
be a
you have the answer in this. Cross origin resource sharing. Cross origin resource sharing. You told the answer. Namely, this feature allows or restricts resources from being accessed by web pages from different domains.
yes.
Good. You told that correctly. Now, um, what is the concept of asynchronous programming? Asynchronous programming.
So asynchronous programming allows us to implement non-blocking code. So
Mhm.
what it will do is it will help to manage the multiple requests. So until and unless we get the, it helps to avoid the bottleneck situation. So it will process one request uh, and until we
Mm.
get the response of that request, it will it will wait for the for getting the response of the request, and then it will move to next request in the pipeline.
Madam, what is ATM?
ATM, automated tailor machine, it used to withdraw the money and check statements we can check using
Mm,
ATM,
mm.
and now cash deposits also we can do.
What are the recent languages that have developed in computer?
um I have used you're asking me what I have used, or
No, no, no. What are the languages that are there normally And what you have studied may be the next question. I just want you to know, are you fully keeping yourself abreast with what is happening in computer world? What are the
Mhm.
recent languages that now have you heard of this recent change in ATM being used for a purpose for which we cannot imagine? Can you tell me what are all the different purposes to which ATM can be put into? In China, it has been introduced recently.
Uh, no, I don't
Did,
know.
did you hear about that news?
No.
I will share that link for you, that video. An ATM has now become a machine in which you can put your gold jewels.
Okay.
It will evaluate the jewel.
Mhm.
It will say um, use heat energy and convert it into real gold bars or gold pack biscuits, and immediately credit the amount to your bank account. साथ साथ क्रेडिट हो जाएगा.
Okay.
देखिए इतना तक कंप्यूटर यूज हो रहा है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. I don't know what are the now the next normal question can be, what are the different areas in which artificial intelligence is used in life, in banking, in insurance. So please prepare for such questions based on, if you can know it better, otherwise go to chat GPT, try to give those answers. I have given you certain chat GPT downloaded question which contains mainly banking related, but among that there will be some computer related questions also. You can read them.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, madam, you are answering properly. There has been no problem, but much depends on our luck. For example, the question they are going to ask, the questions I have been asking are the type of questions they ask in interviews. Let me again test with another one. Um, I think I have provided you one. What is that? Information technology IT officer interview questions.
Mhm.
These are all normally questions that are asked for scale 1 people, but some of it can be used by you for, say, uh, your area also. And questions like what is the difference between virus and worm, like these questions, though they are not full stack development, we can expect in our normal interviews. And questions on ransomware, incident response plan, risk, because right now the basic problem in banking field is only the cyber crimes. So about that, there can be questions for anybody attending a computer interview. Please go through this. I think it has about 79, 80 pages material I am giving you, and this is what it is. Mm, no, no, yeah, IT ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस.
Yes.
इसमें से क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा भगवान जाने. आपको ऐसा में भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, अरे भाई बोलो हमको साइबर क्राइम एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में कुछ बात करो. ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स का मतलब क्या है, बायोमेट्रिक टेक्नोलॉजी में कैसे यूज होता है, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का बारे में कुछ बोलो जी, व्हाट कोर बैंकिंग सोल्यूशन का बारे में कुछ बताओ. Like that, you cannot say this subject is not related to me. that
Okay.
that is why it would have been ideal if you had come to me much earlier, where we could have interacted much more in detail. I am not an expert in this, but I know what will be asked to you. Many of my candidates have come out successful. I wish you should also come out successful. Madam, this is what it is. And now, any questions you have you would like to ask me, madam?
So, like, any suggestions from your side for me?
No, no, I don't, because I did not expect you to answer to this extent also, because banking is not a field to which you are related, and of course the questions, majority questions are related to your field only. I asked, and your response was good. Your response was good. Neither it was very brief nor was it too lengthy. So that way, this is a plus point for you. You
Mm-hmm.
can cash it on this. And I don't know how you are going to use the time available before you before the interview. I have given you lot of things. Now it is for you to turn open whatever I have given and decide either it may be useful for you or not, and then prepare for them. I would request you to go through first IT officer interview questions file I
Okay.
have given you. From there, if you get some doubt, you can message me. If at all I can solve, I will solve, because I am in Canada. It's only daytime for me throughout
Okay.
your night time. So if it is in my ambit, I will try to help you by giving some links. 100% sure I may not know the answer for majority of questions you may get, but I will try to find out the suitable link for that if you cannot get it, and try to be of help. I am expecting you may be selected for the reason your communication is clear. For the fact you have come to me only in the last minute, you have done exceedingly well. I wish you the best of luck. Would you like to ask me some questions?
Yeah, like, for like, how much time it will be, a 1 hour or
No, no, no,
maybe?
no, 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 15 मिनट, 10-15 मिनट के अंदर में हो जाएगा, बस बस. I have taken off an allot time for you before your interview tomorrow. That's why, because I have to go for some dinner tonight outside, so I can't take morning class also. Otherwise, normally I take India morning class. So this is
Mhm.
what it is. So that is why I was with you. But this is just a beginning, and you have started well off. I wish you success, madam. I
Thank
will.
you.
I'll stop our recording this. Yeah. Madam, only complaint is that why did you come in the last minute? Maybe I don't